Yeah, yes. Hi my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about this heated eyelash curler. It's my very first time to use it and I will show you how to use it, but first let's unbox it. What's inside the box is this charging port, this one, and manual on how to use it. So thank you very much for this sponsored product. And this is the brush for the eyelashes. One heated eyelash curler. This one, by the way, is the protected cover for this one. Later I will show you how to use it, my amigos and amigas. This one, and this is the charging hole, this one, and this one on and off button, this one. And they're so nice of it because they included a small brush for this tip. Okay, so watch out for this video, my amigos and amigas, and enjoy as I use it to myself. Okay, so before using the heated eyelash curler, my amigos and amigas, you have to apply your mascara first. Okay, I'm applying mine already. After applying, I'll wait for 1 minute or 2 minutes before it dry. By the way, I'm using a waterproof mascara. Okay, so let it dry for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. Use the eyelash comb to separate or to remove the excess mascara in your eyelashes. Okay, like this one I'm doing, because I like to separate before using the device. Okay, just slowly doing it. Okay, so we are ready to use the device, my amigos and amigas. Let's start. This heated eyelash curler, by the way, you can choose low or high temperature. If it's blink once every 3 seconds, that's a low temperature, and if it blinks twice in every 3 seconds, that's a high temperature. For me, I prefer low temperature, but if you want it more curler, your eyelashes, then you can choose the high temperature. Okay, so you just press this one. Okay, see the red? Okay, once you see this button turns red, it means that the heating is finished. You can use it now. As you can see, the red is steady now, so the heating is already done, so we can use it. So just be careful. I have to move the camera a little. Okay, steady. Yeah, this is the result. You can see. See the result. After using this device on your eyelashes, you can either reapply again your mascara just to retouch it, and also if you see any dirt from the mascara in this device, like this one, you can use the small brush to clean it. Okay, like this one. And you just wipe with cloth. Don't submerge it in water because it might spoil it. So I can say like this one. So my amigos and amigas, I'm done already using this heated eyelash curler. What can I say on this product? I can say it's very easy to use and it's very convenient, and you can carry it all around you as long as it can fit in your bag. well, and everywhere. Okay, so this one, and you can charge it too. So this one, so no more doing manually curling your eyelashes. This one is very good. So what can I say on this product? Did this product curl my eyelashes? I can say yes, but I needed more high temperature on my side. Okay, so this is the result. I don't know if you can see it properly. Okay, so next time I'm gonna use this product, I will put in high temperature to make my eyelashes more curly, and I can carry it every day in my bag now. So heated eyelash curler. Okay. Okay. So if you're gonna ask me my rating on this product, I can say 10 out of 10 because I really like it and I enjoy using it. So my amigos and amigas, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye my amigos and amigas, keep supporting me!